back to another video. We have a little bit of an oddball one here today. We're actually working on a Focus ST, and we have Jason from MBRP here to show off the product that we have for you.
Yeah, man, thanks for having me. This kit is for the 2013 to 2018 Focus ST. This is a full 3-inch aluminized catback. This is our race system. It's gonna be a lot more aggressive on the sound, should sound great, make the most possible power. The kit we're installing today uses a 4.5-inch polished tip as well. It's also available with a carbon fiber tip.
Well, thank you, Jason, again for coming out and giving us all the information on this exhaust. Let's get our Focus ST up in the air and get this new exhaust installed.
Let's do it.
At this point, we're going to start installing the exhaust, but you need to start with the rear of the vehicle. Now, what we're going to end up doing is sliding it over the rear subframe here. Now, when doing this, you may have to bend some of the heat shield out of the way. Also, something else I want to point out, this already had an aftermarket exhaust on it. We have plenty of videos showing you how to remove a Focus ST exhaust, which we can link down below in the description. It's now time to install the rear section. I'm going to throw my exhaust clamp over the rear pipe here. Slide it up there so it's out of the way. And then now I'm going to connect to both hangers. We're now going to connect the next piece of our exhaust here to the downpipe. Make sure you use the gasket and the hardware that's inside the kit. Also, something to mention while I'm putting this exhaust clamp on, you're going to want this extension pipe to be angled to the passenger side of the vehicle a little bit more. Now grab your other exhaust clamp, go over to the rear section, that on, somewhere where it's going to stay. Now we're going to take our next exhaust piece here and slide it onto the extension pipe. Before connecting to the rear section of the exhaust, put the factory insulator on the middle hanger here, and then connect the backside. Before we tighten everything down, we're going to put our exhaust tips on. Tighten this one down slightly and then get the other one installed. We're all wrapped up with the install, and I gotta say the MBRP exhaust on the Focuses are awesome. I mean, I'm used to installing these on Mustangs, and this is my first time doing it on an ST. It was super easy, it sounds good, and it went together perfectly, so I have really no complaints about it.
Couldn't be happier with the way this install went. This race kit sounds mean as heck on the Focus ST. Should make some nice performance gains as well.
Yep. If you want to purchase one of these MBRP exhausts for your Focus ST, click the link down below in our description. But it's time to drop a gear and disappear, and we'll catch you on the next one.